Fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.
This is a CountryBoyModz production. All right, y'all, so we got the bumper off. I don't know if my car is number 754 2020. I don't know. It might be. Who knows? But yeah, pretty much this is everything. And if you all was wondering, where's your active grill shutter? It's actually right here. So if this is staying closed, you get that error code check engine light, then this is where it's at. You got a couple bumps. I mean, I gotta say it. Looks like it's a whole assembly piece that goes in right back there, but I'm sure it's fairly easy to replace. I'm pretty sure this is the sensor for it, so make sure you don't want to mess that up. That's the sensor for it. But yeah, but this is what I'm talking about over here that I'm gonna put back in. See the air sucking in from right here, so the air was coming in. So the air was actually coming in from that bumper right there. You see I got the holes in it poked through. So that was actually coming in, blowing the here, bouncing off the wall, going into here. So what I might end up doing, just put the hole back in it, put a hole in it like I was gonna do in the first place. I know it's for returning the air back up to the top, making it, making it circulate properly and stuff like that. Yeah, I know that. But like I said, this is whose car? It's my car. So since I got the bumper off, is this really sucking air? That is the question. If it's really sucking air right here, then cool. If it's not, then I'm just gonna put the piece back there like it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna put a piece of paper, like a note paper or anything like that, put it right here, and I'm gonna test that out, see if it's actually sucking air into the engine. So we're gonna go from there. See y'all in the next part. All right, we're gonna see if that pulls this piece of paper in, if it's actually sucking air. We're gonna test that out. If not, I'll put everything back the normal way. Don't have this in right now, so I'm gonna put this to the side to see how everything goes the normal way. We're gonna check it out. All right, test number 1 is over. Let's do test number 2. I'm gonna put it a little closer. From the video, it looked like it was sucking in air, so I'm gonna put it a little bit closer, and we're gonna see exactly what it's going to do. If it goes in, it's sucking. If it comes out, it's blowing out air. So let's see. Test number 2. All right, now that you all seen it, test 2 was the final test. That proved that here, it does suck air. I know this for to recycle the air to come back up into the intake. I know that's what this for, but I really don't give two flaps. So I might end up with cutting this right here. Should I think? Nope. How this is? I don't know, I'll figure it out, but we do know that it's sucking air from right here, and we do know that it's sucking air from up here also. So, if I need to do a test for this one right here, I mean, I don't mind doing it, but we all know air comes in here. So the issue I think I have with this piece right here, reason why I took it out, I know it's this more for fuel efficiency. I'm not looking for that. I don't care about that, honestly. But two things I can do. I can put this back in. And do like I did on my road, which I clogged these holes up. I know this for moisture, but like I said, if I had the right tool, I would probably end up blocking this area off. That way it could be a direct path, because I know it comes in here, circulates the air, cleans it, make it so it won't be a tornado going up in here. Just pretty much a balancer. So I'm gonna make up my mind what I'm gonna actually do. Meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these up better, protect them from the water and stuff that might get in here. Like I said, these vents been open. It's been raining. I've been driving through rain. As you can see, it looks good in here. I did it on the opposite side too. So everything looks good to me. I'm gonna keep doing some experiment testing and get back with y'all in a second. All right, so I actually decided what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna put this piece back in, right? Because I'm like, I was gonna go buy a tube, but it's gonna be hard to find a tube that actually matches that shape. Unless I go in and take all of this out, which I don't want to take everything out because I want to leave it looking stock as possible. I'm gonna open up this area right here, like I did on my road, mount it up like this, and so the air can come in, because at first the air was just coming in, bouncing off the back of this, and then, you know, going that way. So I'm gonna put this back in, open that area up like I did on the road, which I had no issues on, and open up that and go from there. Y'all wanted to see what it looked like inside of here, there you go. No metal on my cuts, it's not the best. Bootleg, I don't care, nobody gonna be seeing this. But that's the air pocket we got. So we gonna bounce off that. So pretty much I'm just gonna use, instead of me going to buy a tube to go to the front, I'm just gonna do this. I'm also gonna break this little piece off now right here. All right, so this is what we're looking at. We're looking at that right there. It's gonna be mounted up in there like that. Also, I'm gonna do the same thing with this piece, putting it back up top. I'm gonna chop this side over here off, seal it up, and we're gonna go from there. So I'm not using these pieces. I don't even have check engine lights at all, so I wasn't even using these pieces at all. They're kind of pointless to me because I had a video showing that I did save gas on the highway and everything without these being in there. So I mean, I got the proof to back it up. So we just experimenting. These free pieces, I'm never gonna use those actually. I'm gonna use these. And we're gonna go from there. So let's put it in here. Look at this.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
All right, I got that bootleg chopped up. So don't joke on it. So what I'm gonna do inside here, for the hole that, I'm gonna put a piece of if I got some more double-sided tape, but I got tape actually to cover it. That's not gonna go anywhere. So cover them holes up, and this is just gonna be functional as one tube. I'm not putting the tape inside. I don't want it flying to the thing, but I'm gonna put it right here in those little tunnels. It wasn't much in those tunnels. It's just, like I said, to balance out the air. Don't talk about my bootleg chop up. This is what I do. This is CountryBoyModz. This ain't finna be nothing fantastic that's what y'all watch for. So I got that in. I put the all the pieces back in, and we'll go from there. Boy, it's gonna look so bootleg, but it don't care. It don't matter because this really gonna be covered up, so it really doesn't matter. But let's keep on moving. Y'all gonna talk about me for that. Whoever gonna call me an idiot, I already know you finna do it. So thanks for the comment. But like I said, I wasn't even using these anyway. It's just for fun, but I think this is gonna work out just fine. We're gonna capture that air down there, and we're gonna get that air coming in right here. Try to get a direct path into this. So let's go. All right, y'all, bootleg man is back. Look at that. Ooh, that cut is messed up. Hey, that's what you do. You can't find your other tools to actually cut it off. But hey, I'm not really worried about it, but I got it taped off. This tape survived the weather. So it's actually, like when I had it down here, survived the weather, so it'll be all right up here. Sticks pretty good. So I'm gonna put this back in. And we're gonna go from there. All right, we got everything buttoned up. We got the intake resonator put back in with an opening. And we got this. I've done enough testing to know that this is not gonna affect me. It might actually make it even better. So, but let's put this bumper back on and wrap this job up and see y'all when I'm done. First off, let's get a little rev real quick. See what it sounds like still. If it quieten it down or if it still sounds the same. All right, before I get to putting everything back on, just wanted y'all to see, this is what I'm talking about. You see this right here, and right back here. Whee! See my fingers? See my fingers right there? I put my fingers through that, and I get the airflow coming through, and like, it goes right into this area right here. So that's what I was talking about with the audio being like that. So like I said, I've been driving for a while with it now. No issue with the weather, water getting inside. As you can see, no water. So let's go ahead and put this mud back on. Barely even got any daylight left, so it'll be super dark in probably like 30-40 minutes. So let's do it. All right. Got everything back on. Bumper lined up. Might go back and make a few adjustments here and there. But got pretty much everything back on. It's looking good. I'll take it for a little drive and go from there. And we're gonna close out this video after that. All right, what's going on, y'all? So it's early in the morning. Did some driving and testing. Everything's still running smooth, no difference. The car feels smoother when it's driving. I don't know, maybe because it's been sitting for about 2 days. But let's do like a Rady's ride, say on throttle.
Fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.